I think we managed to position ourselves in a very neutral spot. Like as Steven mentioned, we don't force any peace building or political, aspects to anybody, or everybody's opinion is respected to their own. So we have seen like some numbers. 60% was the number of people that are coming to an intercommunal or mixed community program for the first time, or 40% coming to the buffer zone for the first time. So luckily we didn't see any.
I love that, and like I've been in Cyprus for 6 years now. It's like I didn't grow up here, but I feel very attached to it, and it's my home, and I feel like there is a lot of need for action, right? There is a lot of talk, and as you said, I think people got burned out by the peace talks and all the political talks, but there isn't enough action. And what's better action than doing business together?